How's it going, everybody? I'm Tim Lazinski with Midwest Car Exchange out of the Chicagoland area. I'd like to welcome all of my subscribers and watchers worldwide. Today I'm bringing you a 1956 Ford Thunderbird. This is going to have the hardtop along with the convertible soft top with it as well. It's going to be a 312 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission, nicely optioned out with a late model, but still factory aesthetically looking Ford radio AM/FM clock. It is still functioning. RPM gauge is still functioning. The whole dashboard is actually still functioning in the car with a couple of additional gauges under the dash there. This is going to be a black car with black and white two-tone interior. My main point of this video is to take you around the car, give you a nice good inspection of what I'm seeing on the car, along with give you a nice test drive, and then I want you guys to hear the car run, see how the lights functioning, a lot of those features I just mentioned as well towards the end of this video. So stay with me and we'll go around the car entirely. So first off, I'm going to start off with just starting the car up, tell you guys what I'm hearing, what I'm seeing, what I'm feeling. Alright, first off, car started up very, very smoothly, so it seems like it's timed out properly. It's running extremely smooth as well, no chattering, nothing like of that nature. These are, the 312s are notorious for being a little bit louder and smoky and whatnot, but I'm not feeling that in any sense at all right now. Volt gauge is right up there, got about 13 volts right now. Temp about 160 in it. I did drive it for about a mile there. And oil pressure, we're at about 55 to 60 when it's warm, so good oil pressure at idle. We're gonna go around the block right now. I'll tell you how I like this. Shifted into gear nice and smooth. Steering's extremely smooth, not feeling any looseness in that at all. No exhaust leaks. Get on the brakes a little bit, let go of the wheel. Stops nice, didn't shoot side to side, so it seems like the brakes are really dialed in as well. Let's get on the gas a little bit. Yeah, plenty of power, just got up to about 40, 45 right there. Ran out nice and smooth. Tachometer is working. Let's play with the heat controls as well. Cool. Heater's working on her. Turn that right back off. And it jumped over from defrost to the vents, so that's nice. Just went over a little bump right there. Didn't feel any suspension clunks or anything like that, so suspension seems very tight on the car. So far, I've got nothing bad to say about how the car is running, driving. My next portion of the video, I'll be taking you guys around so you guys can see if there's any imperfections on it, but I want to give you guys a live feel on it, so stay tuned for that.
parents need to talk to their kids about the coronavirus outbreak to help ease their fears. Asking simple questions is helpful.